Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Today, we're exploring exciting new projects that are paving the way for a sustainable future. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Welcome to a captivating exploration into the world of renewable energy, focusing today on SeaLhyfe, a trailblazer in the green hydrogen sector. In this episode, we're delving into how SeaLhyfe is revolutionizing the way we think about and use hydrogen, transforming it into a key player in the sustainable energy narrative. Founded in 2017, SeaLhyfe began with a vision to harness green hydrogen's potential for a sustainable future. Green hydrogen, produced using renewable energy sources, offers a carbon-neutral alternative to traditional hydrogen production methods, which often rely on fossil fuels. This shift towards green hydrogen is vital in our global efforts to combat climate change and move towards a more sustainable, renewable energy-based economy. SeaLhyfe's journey from a bold idea to a pioneering force in the green hydrogen market is not just a story of technological innovation but also of unwavering commitment to environmental sustainability. Through its developments, SeaLhyfe is addressing some of the most pressing challenges of our times, including reducing carbon emissions, enhancing energy security, and paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. In this episode, we will explore SeaLhyfe's journey, its mission, the milestones it has achieved, the challenges it has faced, and its vision for the future. We will also look at how SeaLhyfe's innovative approaches are making green hydrogen a more accessible and viable energy option worldwide. So, join us as we embark on this journey to understand SeaLhyfe's role in shaping the future of green hydrogen. We will uncover the science behind this remarkable technology, the strategies driving its market growth, and the potential it holds for transforming our energy landscape. Stay with us as we unfold the story of SeaLhyfe, a company not just producing green hydrogen but also paving the way for a more sustainable world. Founding and mission, 2017. In 2017, the seeds of SeaLhyfe were sown by Matthew Gesson, who, inspired by the birth of his children, decided to contribute to a more sustainable future. This decision marked the beginning of SeaLhyfe, a company with a mission to revolutionize the energy sector through green hydrogen. Gesson's vision was not just to create another energy company but to pioneer a movement towards a cleaner, more sustainable world. The founding principle of SeaLhyfe is centered around producing hydrogen in an environmentally friendly manner. Traditional hydrogen production methods, predominantly steam methane reforming, are heavily reliant on fossil fuels, contributing significantly to carbon emissions. In contrast, SeaLhyfe aimed to produce hydrogen using renewable energy sources, thus eliminating carbon emissions from the production process. This approach positions hydrogen not just as an energy carrier but as a cornerstone of a sustainable energy system. SeaLhyfe's mission went beyond mere production of green hydrogen. It was about creating a paradigm shift in the energy market, demonstrating that sustainable solutions are not only necessary but also viable and profitable. Gesson and his team envisioned a future where green hydrogen could power industries, vehicles, and homes, significantly reducing the carbon footprint and paving the way for a zero-emission society. From the outset, SeaLhyfe focused on developing innovative technologies and forging strategic partnerships to realize this vision. The company's approach involved integrating the entire hydrogen value chain, from production using renewable energy sources to storage, distribution, and utilization in various sectors. This comprehensive approach ensured that every aspect of hydrogen production and use was optimized for sustainability. As SeaLhyfe embarked on this journey, it faced numerous challenges, from technological hurdles to market acceptance. However, the company's commitment to its mission and its innovative strategies gradually began to bear fruit, as it successfully navigated these challenges and began to make a significant impact in the green hydrogen sector. Initial developments, 2019. In 2019, SeaLhyfe made significant strides, marking its transition from a visionary project to a tangible contributor in the green hydrogen landscape. This year was pivotal, featuring the official launch of SeaLhyfe and the establishment of its first industrial site, setting the stage for a series of groundbreaking developments. The year began with SeaLhyfe unveiling its unique green hydrogen production solution. This innovation was a clear demonstration of the company's technical prowess and commitment to sustainable practices. The solution harnessed renewable energy to produce hydrogen, ensuring a carbon-neutral process. This breakthrough positioned SeaLhyfe not just as an innovator but also as a potential leader in the green hydrogen market. Financially, 2019 was a landmark year for SeaLhyfe. The company successfully raised €8 million from a mix of public and private investors, a testament to the confidence in its vision and technology. This funding was crucial, providing the necessary capital to scale up operations and move from concept to industrial reality. It also signified the market's growing interest in sustainable energy solutions and the potential of green hydrogen as a viable alternative to fossil fuels. The establishment of SeaLhyfe's first industrial site near the Buon wind farm in Vendée was another major accomplishment. This site was strategically chosen for its proximity to renewable energy sources, aligning with SeaLhyfe's commitment to sustainability. The location allowed for the direct integration of wind energy into the hydrogen production process, maximizing efficiency and minimizing environmental impact. Throughout 2019, SeaLhyfe not only advanced its technological capabilities but also started laying the groundwork for its future expansion. The company began forging partnerships and exploring new markets, steadily building a network that would support its ambitious growth plans. These initial developments were critical in establishing SeaLhyfe as a credible and innovative player in the green hydrogen sector, ready to take on the challenges and opportunities that lay ahead. Key milestones, 2021. The year 2021 marked a series of key milestones for SeaLhyfe, each reflecting the company's growing influence and capability in the green hydrogen sector. This year was characterized by significant achievements, from the inauguration of its first production site to expanding its reach and solidifying its position in the market. A highlight of 2021 was the inauguration of SeaLhyfe's first industrial-scale production site in Buon, Vendée, France. This facility was not just a first for SeaLhyfe but a global first, being the world's initial industrial-scale green hydrogen plant directly connected to a wind farm. The strategic location near wind turbines allowed SeaLhyfe to utilize renewable wind energy effectively for hydrogen production, embodying the company's commitment to sustainable and eco-friendly practices. The Buon facility became a beacon of innovation and sustainability, producing the first hundreds of kilos of renewable hydrogen. This achievement was not just a technical feat but also a demonstration of SeaLhyfe's ability to turn its vision into reality. The facility served as a proof of concept, showing that green hydrogen production at an industrial scale was not only possible but also practical and efficient. In 2021, SeaLhyfe also made strides in expanding its commercial pipeline, which represented a total production capacity of 9.8 gigawatts by 2030. This ambitious target underscored the company's plans for significant growth and its intention to be a major player in the green hydrogen market. It reflected SeaLhyfe's confidence in the scalability of its technology and its potential to meet the growing global demand for sustainable energy solutions. Furthermore, SeaLhyfe's advancements in 2021 were a response to the increasing global emphasis on reducing carbon emissions and transitioning to renewable energy sources. The company's progress resonated with the wider movement towards sustainable energy, positioning it as a leading force in driving this transformation. SeaLhyfe's achievements in 2021 laid a strong foundation for its future endeavors, establishing it as a pioneering and resilient player in the green hydrogen industry. Going public and offshore innovation, 2022. In 2022, SeaLhyfe embarked on a bold new chapter, characterized by its transition to a public company and pioneering offshore hydrogen production. These developments not only marked significant growth for SeaLhyfe but also showcased its innovative spirit and commitment to leading the green hydrogen revolution. One of the year's most significant events was SeaLhyfe's initial public offering, IPO, on the regulated Euronext market in Paris. This move was a strategic step towards scaling up its operations and cementing its position as a leading green hydrogen producer in Europe. The IPO was remarkably successful, raising €118 million in capital. This influx of funds provided SeaLhyfe with the financial muscle to accelerate its growth plans, invest in new technologies, and expand its market presence. The successful IPO also reflected the growing investor confidence in SeaLhyfe's business model and the future of green hydrogen. 2022 also witnessed SeaLhyfe achieving a world first in offshore renewable hydrogen production. The company inaugurated SeaLhyfe, the world's first offshore renewable hydrogen production pilot site, near Saint-Nazaire, France. This groundbreaking venture represented a significant technical and logistical challenge, as it involved producing green hydrogen at sea, under extreme conditions. The successful operation of SeaLhyfe was a testament to SeaLhyfe's engineering prowess and its ability to innovate in uncharted territories. This offshore pilot project not only expanded the possibilities of hydrogen production but also positioned SeaLhyfe at the forefront of the industry. SeaLhyfe's advancements in 2022 were pivotal in demonstrating its capability to lead and innovate in the green hydrogen space. The company's public offering and offshore innovation underscored its resilience, adaptability, and determination to drive the transition towards a sustainable energy future. These achievements solidified Lhyfe's reputation as a trailblazer in the green hydrogen market and set the stage for its continued growth and influence in the renewable energy sector. Recent advances, 2023. In 2023, Lhyfe continued its trajectory of innovation and growth, marking another year of significant advancements in the green hydrogen sector. This period was characterized by strategic expansion and continued commitment to sustainable hydrogen production, reinforcing Lhyfe's role as a key player in the renewable energy landscape. A major development for Lhyfe in 2023 was the commencement of construction for its second green hydrogen production plant, located in Brittany, France. This new facility, named Lhyfe Bretagne, underscored the company's strategy to increase its production capabilities and to serve local communities. With a planned capacity to produce up to 2 tons of green and renewable hydrogen per day, the plant is tailored for mainly local uses, showcasing Lhyfe's dedication to community-centric energy solutions. This approach not only supports local economies but also reduces the environmental impact associated with long-distance transportation of hydrogen. The significance of the Lhyfe Bretagne plant lies not just in its production capacity but also in its alignment with Lhyfe's core values of sustainability and innovation. The plant is designed to integrate seamlessly with local renewable energy sources, ensuring that the hydrogen production process remains carbon neutral and environmentally friendly. This local production model is a key aspect of Lhyfe's strategy, as it promotes the use of renewable energy and reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Furthermore, Lhyfe's developments in 2023 reflect the company's responsiveness to the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions. As industries and governments worldwide intensify their efforts to reduce carbon emissions and transition to cleaner energy sources, Lhyfe's advancements provide a viable and efficient alternative. The company's commitment to expanding its green hydrogen production capabilities is not just a business strategy but also a contribution to the global effort to combat climate change and promote sustainability. Through its recent advances in 2023, Lhyfe continues to demonstrate its ability to innovate, adapt, and lead in the rapidly evolving green hydrogen market. The company's focus on sustainable, local, and efficient hydrogen production is paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Production and sustainability approach. Lhyfe's approach to hydrogen production is deeply rooted in sustainability and innovation. The company's commitment to producing zero CO2 emission hydrogen is not just a business strategy, but a reflection of its dedication to environmental stewardship. This segment delves into how Lhyfe is revolutionizing the hydrogen production process, setting new standards for sustainability in the industry. Central to Lhyfe's production methodology is the use of renewable energy sources. The company harnesses wind, solar, and hydropower to drive the electrolysis of water, a process that splits water into hydrogen and oxygen. This method ensures that the hydrogen production is entirely carbon neutral, as it relies solely on green energy and emits only water and oxygen as byproducts. This eco-friendly production process is a stark contrast to traditional methods that typically use fossil fuels and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Lhyfe's production units are strategically connected to nearby renewable energy sources. This close connection not only ensures a consistent supply of green energy but also maximizes the efficiency of the hydrogen production process. By directly integrating renewable energy into its operations, Lhyfe is able to reduce energy loss and minimize its environmental footprint. Another key aspect of Lhyfe's approach is the local production and supply of hydrogen. This strategy is not only environmentally sound but also economically beneficial. By producing and supplying hydrogen locally, Lhyfe can offer a more cost-effective and competitive alternative to fossil fuels. This local focus also plays a crucial role in supporting regional economies and promoting energy independence. Furthermore, Lhyfe is dedicated to continuous innovation to enhance the efficiency and sustainability of its production process. The company invests in research and development to improve its technologies, reduce production costs, and increase the scalability of its operations. This commitment to innovation ensures that Lhyfe remains at the forefront of the green hydrogen industry, driving progress towards a more sustainable energy future. Through its production and sustainability approach, Lhyfe is not just creating green hydrogen, it is redefining the standards for sustainable energy production. The company's methods exemplify a harmonious balance between environmental responsibility and economic viability, setting a benchmark for others in the industry to follow. Future plans. Looking towards the future, Lhyfe is poised to continue its trailblazing journey in the green hydrogen sector with ambitious plans and innovative projects. These future endeavors are aimed at not only expanding the company's production capabilities but also at reinforcing its position as a leader in sustainable energy solutions. One of Lhyfe's most significant future projects involves the construction of a large-scale green hydrogen production plant in Lubmin, Germany. Slated for commissioning by 2029, This facility is expected to produce up to 330 tons of green hydrogen per day, making it one of the largest of its kind in Mecklenburg-Vorpommern and a cornerstone in Europe's hydrogen infrastructure. This plant represents SeaLhyfe's commitment to scaling up its operations and meeting the increasing demand for green hydrogen, not just locally but on a continental scale. In addition to the Lubmin plant, SeaLhyfe is also focusing on increasing its overall production capacity. The company plans to build an industrial unit with the capacity to produce up to 85 tons of green hydrogen per day. This expansion is a clear indication of SeaLhyfe's strategic intent to become a dominant player in the global green hydrogen market. By significantly boosting its production capacity, SeaLhyfe aims to cater to the industrial quantities needed for a wide range of applications, from powering vehicles to industrial processes. SeaLhyfe's future plans also include a continued emphasis on innovation and technological advancement. The company is dedicated to refining its production processes, enhancing efficiency, and reducing costs. These efforts are crucial for making green hydrogen more accessible and competitive with traditional energy sources, thereby accelerating the transition to a sustainable energy landscape. Moreover, SeaLhyfe is committed to fostering partnerships and collaborations that will enable it to navigate the complex landscape of the energy sector effectively. By working together with other industry players, governments, and research institutions, SeaLhyfe aims to drive the development of a robust and sustainable hydrogen ecosystem. As SeaLhyfe looks to the future, its plans reflect a clear vision: to lead the green hydrogen revolution and play a pivotal role in shaping a sustainable and environmentally friendly energy future. The company's forward-looking strategies and innovative projects are set to make a significant impact on the renewable energy landscape, driving progress towards a cleaner, greener world. Conclusion. As we reflect on SeaLhyfe's remarkable journey in the green hydrogen market, it's clear that the company is not merely a participant in the renewable energy sector, but a visionary and a catalyst for change. SeaLhyfe's story is one of ambition, innovation, and unwavering commitment to sustainability, setting a precedent for others in the industry to follow. From its inception in 2017 to its groundbreaking developments and ambitious future plans, SeaLhyfe has consistently demonstrated its capability to not only adapt to the evolving energy landscape but also to shape it. The company's approach, centered around producing green hydrogen in an eco-friendly and efficient manner, is a testament to its dedication to environmental stewardship and its belief in the potential of green hydrogen to revolutionize the energy sector. SeaLhyfe's achievements, from establishing the world's first industrial-scale green hydrogen plant connected to a wind farm to planning one of the largest hydrogen production facilities in Germany, illustrate its role as a leader in the green hydrogen revolution. The company's success is a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration, showing that sustainable energy solutions are not only necessary but also achievable and profitable. Looking to the future, SeaLhyfe's plans to expand its production capabilities, innovate its technologies, and foster strategic partnerships are poised to further cement its position as a pioneer in the green hydrogen market. The company's vision of a sustainable energy future, where green hydrogen plays a pivotal role, is not just a distant dream but a rapidly approaching reality. In conclusion, SeaLhyfe's journey in the green hydrogen market is a powerful narrative of technological advancement, sustainable practices, and visionary leadership. It's a story that resonates with the growing global consciousness about the need for renewable energy solutions and the crucial role of companies like SeaLhyfe in driving this transformation. As we continue to explore the exciting world of renewable energy, SeaLhyfe's journey serves as a shining example of what can be achieved when innovation meets sustainability. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.